guys, this is Blessings from the movie Ghetto Gal in a Foreign. Guys, you know what? When I look at the views of the movies, the subscription is not adding up enough. So you know what, guys? You see, whenever you go out and you watch the movie, please, I'm asking you to like, share, and subscribe. Please, guys, if you want this channel to grow, and I know you do, because I know so no love Ghetto Girl, you know. Tell me so no love Ghetto Girl. Me know no love Ghetto Girl. So may I ask you to please, the only way the channel can grow is for you guys to like, share, and subscribe. And you know what? You can leave a comment, you know, because that's how you're gonna tell me if we are do good or if we are do bad. And you know what? Any comment, you know what? We can take it. It's okay. And again, guys, as you know, Ghetto Girl is just there foreign the other day, you know. Guess what? You know, say it costs money to travel. So, guys, may I ask you, any kind of donation? We also need equipment, any kind of camera equipment. Guys, if you could just give us a little help, donation, anything is appreciated, okay? Guys, Zelle, Cash App, our phone number is 707-712-5910. Again, our Cash App Zelle number is 707-512-5910. And also, before or after you watch a movie, I'm asking you guys, please, to like, share, and subscribe. You can also leave a comment to so let me know how we're doing, okay? Again, guys, you can also go over to Mix Up JA, which is also Ghetto Gal Way Newbie channel, and donation. We're not going to tell you how much, whatever you can, it does not matter. Whatever you can Zelle, you can Cash App, whatever you can. Also, guys, we're always in need of... Hi guys, we're doing our backyard cooking today, and what we're actually going to have today, we're going to do a Mexican cuisine. What we're going to do today is tacos. So you guys...
Taco.
Yes, you'll see how it's made.
So
guys, you're gonna see how it's made today, okay? It's very simple, very easy. So first of all, we're gonna do some ground turkey. You could do pork, or you could do beef, or you could do chicken, but our choice of meat is turkey. So what
turkey, not even?
Yes, ground turkey.
Who?
Ground turkey. Grounded, like they put it in a machine and...
Oh, then that if you say then crush up.
G-R-O-U-N.
Yeah, a crush up turtle. Oh, that's a ground, me think of something walk on it.
Turtle?
Yeah.
It's turkey.
Yeah. People have to see with me.
Let us go. I say like me not feel...
Where my cheese?
People me not feel too well, so I want to see with me today, here. Like
we go a party last night and you drink too much, so you have an overhang.
No, go so. No, go so.
They like a breeze and blow it and blow it.
Just like to sit in man. Me no long talking today, no. Very nice with you.
People?
Light?
No,
light it.
Me turn on the gas. Why wouldn't we start to make a wood fire?
Turn it down so they make it flame green.
Green?
Blue. Alright, that's good. So the first thing we're gonna do...
Can I have that?
Olive oil. You know that's what I use.
I hope it's not done this week.
No.
You know, I think you're going to leave one sheet and think this one.
No.
This way you do good. Can you go and do it?
Alright, so we're going to put just a little bit of oil, not too much. I'm going to show you the amount. Just put a little bit of oil. Because the reason why we're doing a little bit of oil, we don't want our food to be greasy. So here we go, we're going to cut this. Okay, so we're opening up our packages. We're going to do four packages today because we're going to have company over later. So we want to make... Oh, guys, you didn't see me, but I did wash my hands, okay?
So you have to tell them, say, every minute you have to wash hands. So sometimes if you get dirty food, then you tell them, say, we wash hands. See, sit near the water.
Sometimes they might not
see
know,
it,
they might not see that I wash my hands.
I got on everything them go see.
That's a truth.
So my Persian never water for wash hands.
I'm not Jamaican when I watch you talk about parish.
Then we will.
Okay guys, we're gonna put this in the pot. our brown turkey.
Let me mix up it. Use this.
Yeah. Watch it. That's how turkey meat looks. Brown meat. You're going to fill up the pot, but that's okay.
Let me mash out this first.
No, it no matter. Everything can. You just have to just keep
Oh, it
stirring.
look like you cook already.
No, man. I say it's there. Turkey meat, you know. So I'm gonna say it's white meat. So oh, that look like it cooked. Okay, let me get this into the garbage.
Let's throw some water pan Anthony in a porridge. So pumpkin, what you deal with?
Everything for your porridge.
Yeah, for the young one, you know.
Oh, car.
Bossy.
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 If I have bun now.
Well, here, use this and hold the pot. Why you do things awkward?
No, the pot a bun me, I fire.
But if you hold it, that's how you do it, you hold it.
Too much wood under the fire.
You hold it.
One?
Make it stay and cook down a little bit, then you stir it.
Yeah.
So me turn it off.
You
Oh,
turn
me
it
turn off the fire. Oh.
Yeah. I'm telling you, man, you know if you mash up.
There's a two that can't dig one word.
Yeah.
Two rat can't dig one hole. Alright, that's good. Make it stay there, so. Alright.
Where
So,
cover?
No, you don't cover it.
Eh? That's what
Remember, say Mexican food is so you don't know nothing
No,
about this.
Lisa, do Japan is not Jamaican.
No tree, not even the overweight.
Oh. Yes, no, people. As we can see, we're there. It's a bossy one won a club from the movie. You understand me?
Get a girl in a
Yeah,
foreign.
and charge, man.
Oh, by the way, guys, did you happen to see the trailer? The trailer is out now. Get a girl coming. Get a girl in a foreign, September 16th. If you don't see the trailer yet, you're not going over to Get a Girl. Guess where it's also at? It's also at Rapper Crapper. So if you go up on Rapper Crapper channel, he did a great review on it. We have it on another channel.
It's on every platform. Cut the short and done. Every platform. Can you know something big? You can't delete
Yes, it is. Come, let me show you.
You can't delete.
Anyways,
Anyway, look.
Where you go?
You can't go nowhere yet, pumpkin. So what this is gonna be, so because it's ground beef, you notice it's all gonna be crumbled together. Simon, you can't leave yet. Your girl gonna have to wait.
Man, the job too. You left your baby and go and come back now?
yeah, but I'm being on come back.
You left him and go and come back. Come over for the chair, man, the job too.
I'm gonna finish the backyard.
Just finish the backyard.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, no, people. So we in our backyard cooking our this year.
Not yet, Wayne. But
Eh?
the food ready.
When the food ready? So remember, so when you turn massive, you can't sober when you turn.
Alright, one.
Yeah, man, we have to junk, man. Come pumpkin. That are kulu rum.
I'm alright.
Oh, your chest.
Red stripe
This is wine.
and white rum.
Anyway, guys, he feel like he need to have a glass of wine. So.
Yeah.
Why never do the red wine?
Nobody try this panini, no?
No, here.
Anything junk no come to nothing.
I'm not feeling well, so I can't do anything. Hi! It's wine. What do you expect?
What's that, like a dry wine?
Eh?
I'm of the dry wine too, you know. What's the dry wine now?
Oh, you must have. I don't know wine you bring.
This like me wrong taste.
I don't want this bring.
What is that, a Zinfandel?
Yeah, she bring one that's the simple deal.
Yeah, bring one I colors is wine.
Bring the big buckle.
Alright,
Yeah.
Bring the red one.
so
Okay. Then this now we junk, yeah?
it creep up on you.
Eh?
It creep up, it creep up.
Now make sure I look back at me, no, because I make you creep up at me.
Why not really, like it creep up?
Yeah. So people, as you can see, me sit down right here, so more them a chat me and more me a live life. Last night me pista and some little wing.
What did you eat last night?
Pista and some little wing look like
What
crab.
did you eat last night?
Pista.
What did you say?
They sit in that box, man, you run sit, but then slice up. What name?
When you?
Pista.
Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
Rolly, what we eat last night?
Pizza.
Eh?
Pizza.
You tell us a pizza? So more than chat me, and I more me a survive. Oh, from me born a year, me hear about Hollywood and see it on TV, and me live to go over Hollywood and put on. Right now go Hollywood and walk and say, get a girl name pan star Hollywood doorway. Oh, I don't know. I more no fight me, I more no rob me, I more me a come. Oh. We are in the backyard cooking in a sack there. Oh, no time there.
Alright, so
You sit now like shake away.
Look now. You see how it cooked and now it's
Tender
all,
now.
it's all separated. The idea is to make sure it's separated.
Okay.
See?
Okay, if you leave that alone to me, I'm friend in I pack.
The one, the red one, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, see?
Which are they?
See, you want to try the red one.
Which one go with?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, most people like red, the red one.
Yeah, that's how I know if you drink, man. Tell me how to do that in a glass.
I sure.
Oh, you know, you forget the corkscrew.
Me have a corkscrew.
Alright, guys, check this out. We're gonna have to put down the red wine for a little bit. And this is how we're gonna really make this. So
Give me
this
the one I do the video.
Just them one.
Okay, so guys, what we're gonna do now. So now the ground beef is just about where I need it to be. It's loosened. So what we're gonna do these are the taco mix. Okay, this is actually what's gonna make the taco sauce.
See, we think farmer and scissors will ever trim them. Come again. And what are they back on top?
Probably 3. Depends. So this goes in here. It's kind of windy, guys.
Yeah, breeze are blow. Today is a cool day up here. Yeah, man. All you see there? The place had tell a pay snowfall. Come again.
Don't hold that for me.
We don't use the big spoon and mind that burning.
The reason I'm using the fork because this is what separate them. The spoon don't do that.
Oh, the spoon carry everything like shovel.
Yes, it make it much bigger and lumpier. So the fork now is the one that separates.
So I'm trying next time that you don't have to mix up too much time. What you come in the one water?
Actually, the meat actually produces its own water.
Oh,
Okay, pour that one in. I might have to do the third or fourth one. Let's do the fourth one.
You know, so you see.
And then, the more you do, get some water, pour just a little bit of water in here.
One back water.
No man, you can't. That water clean, right? In the jug.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, back water.
Just give me a little. Just give me a little bit of water.
And you know, let me tell you what to blessing. I know I believe in me, I tell you, because I tell you on camera. You see like me, we're so brilliant and full of talent.
Well, yeah, top work.
Yeah, Jamaicans already. You see, the producer in Jamaica, they don't really look out for you like that, you know? No?
Alright, stop.
They specialize in the people out there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I specialize in you.
Alright. But I know about
I never know about it like that.
So Bossy, you go on, Bossy have 5 club up here, 5 go-go club. And he say he might want Trevor to run off one of them.
Okay, put a little bit more water, please.
Eh?
Alright.
You sure?
That's cool. Yeah.
That's I don't know.
We don't need a lot of water. No, cover it back up on it. Actually, and we don't need we don't need a lot of juice in this. So this is how it's supposed to look, guys. You could bring it up slowly, so they can see the color.
Yeah.
So that's how that looks.
That is how it look, people.
Yeah.
That is taco.
That's how you make taco. This is the stuffing for the taco. This is just the stuffing. So it's actually. I'll cover this.
So when we go to Jamaica, we're going to make taco, you know. So we're going to use flour and bully beef.
So that's good.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Flour and bully beef and ackee.
I'll wash my hands.
That can work.
That's something like
Yeah.
Pumpkin, do me a favor. You want your taco warm, right?
Oh, you want to put them in
Go ahead. Okay. Alright guys, so our taco fillings is just about done. So here we go. These are gonna be all the fillings for our taco. We have lettuce, we have cheese. I'm gonna put out too much right now because we don't have our guests in here yet. The cheese is supposed to be all crumbly, so let's do that.
The cheese if you have macaroni, so.
Because because of what happened. Oh, you mean because it's shredded, just like how this is shredded. And then we have our
What that?
salsa sauce.
Wait?
Sauce.
Why make out that?
Tomatoes and peppers, you could tell.
Okay.
You could literally see chunks of tomatoes. Alright, you can cover that now. So how this is going to work. Okay, so we're going to put this to the side. So guys, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to fill your taco shell. First, normally I put it out into another container, but just show you briefly. You get your taco, you fill it all in. These taco shells are actually extremely small. And then you could put it in whatever order you want actually. But so this is how I'm gonna do that. And then you put your sauce. And then you put your, here's your taco. I'm not feeling well guys, so guess what? I'm gonna let Ghetto Girl win, be the guinea pig.
Put some white rum.
No,
Go on. Tell me how it tastes. And this is our
Alright.
And this is how you make Mexican taco, guys.
This is how we make Mexican tato. My name?
Oh,
Let me not feel good.
Yeah, Mexican tato. So
Taco.
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 remember some have this tongue in a man.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So this is a finish one, but you know fully finished yet. So me gonna finish it now. Mmm. Yo,
Bad
yo,
dog.
Bashi.
That one.
I really shit this, you know?
And sometimes you can put sour cream on it too.
What?
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Yeah.
You never see that yet.
I didn't remember to buy that. And here's your wine.
Very nice, you know? But don't mind it. Yo,
Red wine.
the people that come today, that's my tell you now about that because they not get it.
There you go. Guys, if I was feeling well, I would be
And the
eating some of that too.
red wine. Ah.
Better.
So that's the me I live lavish. Yeah. Real good man. Yes, nice.
We need to cover this up. Oh,
Bouncy? Not there, sir. Them something
Simon,
here.
bring this inside, please.
Them something here. Make me feel like me now want to go home back. Yeah, them taste good.
Well,
So when I send my farmer card, then me know, yeah. Yeah?
okay.
Alright, the people them
Only-
name.
only
Alright,
if-
the people them name pan that me not.
Only if I know what farm work cards are.
Alright, the people them name.
Only if I know what farm work cards are, because I have no clue.
Cause me not back at Jamaica sell can, you know. Cause me boss, me comfortable. Very comfortable.
See how crunchy that is?
Hey, the taco is good. I tell you.
Finally got it right.
The taco is good.
Backyard taco. Hey, there's more in there. You don't have to do all of that. You have a lot more in the pot. There's more in the pot.
No, when you eat, you have to eat clean. Lick out the plate clean. Yeah. We feel in Portland.
You feel in Portland?
Yeah.
Portland.
Yeah, the red wine tastes better now.
Yeah, red wine, bad. I tell you, this and the red wine, man, I really shit them.
Want another one? I'll make another one.
No, I can't too much on camera, they want to me crib. So, people, remember to like, share and subscribe. and left your comment in a note. Left your comment in a comment. Left your comment in a comment. And all the way we talk about. Let me hear what I have to say.
Anyways, guys, please go check out the trailer. Get a Girl in a Foreign movie coming out September 16th. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so when it hit next week, I'm going to be the first one to. And trust me, that one you're good. That one you're good.
And people, I'm sorry if you say, me not make big talk like some people and can control myself. Me had a good management now, so no can rob me again. Oh no, if it come good. Oh, I know if you jump get me attack, so you know me just feel nice. When me nice, I saw me go on. When me nice, I saw me go on. Big up on yourself, big up everybody, and big up Jamaica same way. Boom! Me out here now.
Supporters them.
Yeah, what their name?
The supporters.
All of my subscribers them and my supporters them and the people them who did it for me and look out for me. And all who don't like me still big up on yourself same way and no big up and big up because more love, more love.
Hello guys, this is Blessings from the movie Ghetto Girl in a Foreign. Guys, you know what? When I look at the views of the movies, the subscription is not adding up enough. So you know what guys, you see whenever you go out and you watch the movie, please I'm asking you to like, share and subscribe. Please guys, if you want this channel to grow, and I know you do because I know so no love Ghetto Girl, you know. Tell me so no love Ghetto Girl. I know no love Ghetto Girl. So may I ask you to please, the only way the channel can grow is for you guys to like, share and subscribe. And you know what? Zelle, Cash App. Our phone number is 707-712-5910. Again, our Cash App Zelle number is 707-512-5910. And also, before